So welcome to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see chapter 3 polynomial 1 mark questions. So here in 10th we are having 1 mark questions which are very important. So if you want to get 100 by 100 target, so this 1 marks will play an important role. So these are some models from the papers. It is selected some models. So these questions compulsory will get damn sure. So here first of all, what is the question given is p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. Then p of 1 is asking, substitute here 1 square plus 5 into 1. Okay, here plus 4. P of 1 what will get here? Will get 10. Okay, so here will get the answer 10. Second question, 7 by 5 is a 0 of 7x minus 5. So 7x minus 5 have to make it equal to 0. So x is equal to 7x equal to 5. So we'll get 5 by 7. But here what is given? 7 by 5. So it is false. Next, number of zeros of the polynomial. Here the graph is touching only 1 point. So you will get answer 1. The graph is very important model. The graph is touching only x-axis at 1 point, so you will get only 1. Now degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Degree of a 0 polynomial is 0. So here degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Degree of a 0 polynomial is not defined. It is not defined. So here the first statement is true. Second statement is false. This type of problems are very important. Bits. Choose the correct answer. Statement 1 is given 2x cube plus 3 root x minus 5 is not a polynomial. So here the power of the variable is a fraction. So it is not a polynomial. So it is true. Now 0 of the polynomial of 2x minus 3 equal to 3 by 2. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. So it is also true. So here what is the answer here? Both A and B are true. Both A and B are true. That is very important. Next, how 1 by root 5 x power 1 by 2 plus 1 is not a polynomial. So here the power of the variable is a fraction. Therefore it is not a polynomial. Next one, the number of zeros lying between minus 2 and 2 of the following polynomial f of x whose graph is given below. So here minus 2 and 2, here we are having 0. It is touching at 1. So here we are having only one value, minus 1 1. So this is minus 1, here 1, minus 1 1. That is the answer. Here minus 2 is here, 2 is here. So we are getting between minus 2 and 2 number of zeros. We are having 2 zeros. One is minus 1, another one is plus 1. So here important, these are all the important bits. Write the given graph representing which type of polynomial. So it is representing cubic polynomial. So here it is representing like this. We will call it as cubic polynomial. Number of zeros that can be identified by the given figure. Here the figure is not touching x-axis. It is not touching x-axis. So number of zeros will be 0. Next, alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the polynomial px cube plus qx square plus rx plus s. Then which of the following match is correct? So sum of the roots is minus q by p. And the product sum of the two roots alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha is here we'll get r by p. Here c by d. So alpha, beta, gamma is a, b, c, d, d by a. So here minus s by p. So here write the too many zeros of the following polynomial of the given figure. What are the zeros of the polynomial? Minus 2 0 2. What are the zeros of x square minus 1? X square minus 1 zeros what we are having? Plus 1 minus 1. So x square minus 1 equal to 1. X equal to square root of 1. What will get is plus or minus 1. Next, what is the number of zeros of a polynomial shown in the graph below? Here it is touching the graph at x-axis at only 1 point. So here you are getting only 1 zero of the polynomial. is 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 a quadratic polynomial. So here it is not a quadratic polynomial because here it is in the denominator. So the power of the variable x is minus 2. Minus 2 will get, so it is not a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Next, the degree of the polynomial root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. Is it true or false? So here the degree of this polynomial is 2. So but the quotient is given minus root 2. Root 2 is the quotient. So the highest power of the variable will take as degree. Next one, if alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 5x plus k and alpha minus beta is equal to 3, then the value of k. So this is one type of problem. So here you have to find the values. So alpha plus beta minus 5. Alpha plus beta is minus 5. Alpha plus beta is minus 5. So alpha beta is equal to k. So here you have to solve this. So alpha minus beta is given 3. So if you solve, you are getting k value 4. Match the following. P of x is given x square plus 5x plus 6. So P of minus 2. Substitute here minus 2. Minus 2 means 4 plus 4 minus 10 plus 6. You will get 0. Next P of 0 means you will get 6. Next P of minus 1 you will get 2. So first one is second. P of 0 is third one 6. P of minus 1 is 1 2. Choose the correct answer. State degree of a constant polynomial 1. Degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. Degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Degree of a constant polynomial is 0. And degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. So here first one is false. Second one is true. Next, which of the following is not true? Statement, the quotient of x power 7 in the polynomial 7x power 17 minus 7x power 11 plus 27x power 5 minus 7 is 0. So the quotient of x power 7. So x power 7 is not there, it is right. The figure represents a polynomial without zeros. So the figures represent both A is false and B is true. The quotient of x power 7 in the polynomial. Okay, here the quotient of x power 7 is 0. Okay, we will discuss. Next question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the polynomial P of x equal to x cube minus 10x square plus 7x plus 8, then choose the correct answer. So alpha, beta, gamma is minus b by a means you will get 10. Alpha, beta, gamma is d by a means here you will get 8. Okay. So here first A third one, B first one, and alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha is minus b by a c by a. 7 by 1 you will get 7. What is the product of the zeros? Product of the zeros root 3 x square plus x plus 9 is c by a. Product of the roots minus 9 by root 3, here you will get minus 3 root 3. What is the zeros of the polynomial? Write the zeros of the polynomial. Here you will get touching at 2 points, minus 2 and 2. So the zeros are minus 2, 2. If alpha, beta are the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha beta is c by a. Both you divide. If you take LCM, you will get that one. Minus b by c you will get. Minus b by c is the answer. Match the following. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus d plus cx plus d, then alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a. C. First one is alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Okay, next alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha is c by a. Alpha, beta, gamma is minus d by a. First one is C, second one is first one is C, second one is B, and the third one is A. Next, check whether minus 3 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 9 x square minus 9. So here you have to substitute the values. P of minus 3 is 0, P of 3 is also 0, therefore they are the zeros of the polynomial. how many zeros exist for the following graph. So this is touching at 2 points. So here we will get 2 zeros. 7 by 5 is the 0 of 7x minus 5. So 7x minus 5 equal to 0. So 7x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 7. Next, what are the zeros of x square minus 1? So x square minus 1 equal to 0, x square equal to 1, x equal to plus or minus 1. So plus or minus 1. So the number of zeros of the polynomial from the adjacent figure, here it is touching at 3 points. So the number of zeros will be 3. Choose the correct answer satisfying the following. 2x cube plus root 3x minus 5 is not a polynomial. So it is a polynomial. 0 of the polynomial 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So here a is false. A is it is false. It is a polynomial. B is true. Choose the correct answer. Statement 1. What we are having, alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 2x square plus qx minus r, and alpha beta equal to 0, then q is equal to r, right? Statement second one, alpha beta gamma are the zeros of a x cube plus bx square plus cx plus 2, then alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a, alpha beta beta gamma, gamma alpha is c by a, alpha beta gamma is minus d by a. So both are true. Choose the correct answer. If alpha beta are the zeros of x square minus 3x plus p, and 2 alpha plus 3 beta is 15, then p is 54. So second statement is given. If the alpha beta are the zeros of a polynomial ax plus bx plus c, then alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha beta is c by a. So here alpha plus beta, alpha into beta is c by a. So a is false and b is true. So here you have to solve it. A you have to solve it. So alpha plus beta is equal to 3. Alpha beta is equal to p. So what is given? 2 alpha plus 3 beta is given. So 15 you have to substitute in there. You will get the value. So by using that you have to complete the problem. Thank you for watching the video. So if you like the video, subscribe the video. If you want to share the video, share to your friends. Thank you.